There we go. There he is. Corbin's first Christmas.
Yay, Corbin! It's your first Christmas! Yay!
Yeah. And there is the tree. It looks so much taller on video. And there's Max and Amelia. There's our holiday Yule log. And there's Mom. Yeah.
There's Mona.
Oh. There's Mona way back there. The 2 dots, that's Mona.
And Elton's behind you.
Elton is here. And there's Leroy.
Okay.
Alright, Corbin.
Santa left you a stocking.
Yes, stocking for Corbin.
Look what he left you, buddy. Let's open up your stocking together, bud.
Let's see it.
Come on, bud. Let's sit up like a big boy. Oh. Yeah, sit. There you go.
There we go.
What did Santa leave you in this stocking? Oh,
Let me chew this blanket.
Look at what's this monkey? You want to put him on that?
Leroy dunking the shot.
What's this? Is this a monkey? Leroy, sit.
Sit down.
Is this a monkey, buddy? Oh, from Santa! What he bought you, a monkey? Look, what he bought you? A book? Let's build.
Ooh, book.
A building book, yes, about trucks and bulldozers and trains. And you bought you a teeter. Ooh, that'll be good to chew on, huh? Yeah. Not the box, but the teeter. And another book, The Velveteen Rabbit. Oh, look at that. We'll have to read that to you. And here's the last item in your stocking.
Whoa.
Oh, for your high chair.
Nice, a new toy.
Yes.
Breaks up the monotony.
Yes, something new for your high chair.
Yay.
Cool, huh? Look at all those toys you got.
That's just your stocking.
That's just your stocking, baby. We should give Leroy his stocking. Leroy, do you want your tree? Come here. It's your stocking from Santa Claus. No, this is the toy. Well, what did he bring you? It's a treat dispenser, Leroy. And it looks like a football.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just a treat. I don't really know how to use it yet, but go play with it. Yay! Yay, Leroy!
It's fun. Where are the treats? I heard treat dispenser.
Whoa! Yeah, bud! Okay, Corbin. Let's open up your presents.
Yay.
This present is from Mom and Dad. Yeah, do you want to open it? Yeah, let's get started. Go on this paper. You're going to use your mouth to open it. Yeah. Go on the paper. I'm going to play with the kitty. What's that? What is that, huh? Look at the stacking toy, huh? Yeah. Look, bud. It's a stacking toy. You want the paper. Bless you. Bless you, Mr. Jewel. You like that guy? Yeah. We'll take that out of the package in a few minutes. We can play with that. Now let's look at this one. This is another one from Mom and Dad.
And there's that monkey.
Corbin, huh? Look at this one. Here's another one from Mom and Dad. Yeah. we go. Here we go. Look at what are these? They're black. You can pop them together. Oh man. Matte black blush.
Let's open this package.
Alright, Corbin. Look at all these presents that you've got already. Are you ready to open your big present from Santa Claus?
Yeah.
It'll be ruined.
Well, money well spent. It was, what, 3 minutes of fun for him? Which is it's like $1 a minute.
What is this? Here. Put your hand in there. Oh, rip it. This is from Santa Claus, Corbin. Rip it up. Wow. No, don't leave it. Just put your hand here. You got a piece?
Yeah.
There's one piece! Yay! There's lots of other pieces! Come on, bud. Yeah, here's this. Whoa!
Whoa. That was a good one.
Let's go. You want the bow? Look, bud! Oh, it's a little superstar singing on stage! Look, buddy. Look at this. What do you think about that toy? You like it? Just a button. You like that toy? Look, you can see yourself in the mirror. And the lights go on. Oh, what a fun toy. It's your Christmas presents, buddy.
Yay!
Merry Christmas.
Merry first Christmas, Corbino.
Bye to Daddy. Bye. Look at Daddy.
Hey, Merry first Christmas,
Merry
buddy.
Christmas.